I think the main issue is increasing globalisation and the fact that corporate actors no longer act simply within their own national boundaries. People are buying, selling, money is moving across borders, and in order for corporate actors to play on that stage and be a part of this ever increasingly globalised world, they have to understand international rules and regulations that have an impact on that, and an appreciation of how other countries deal with issues, how other jurisdictions deal with some issues. I also think that arbitration is a big issue and is quite often a preferred method of dispute resolution, and that's particularly so in international disputes and international conflicts. So that's something that will be very useful to people who might or routinely deal with dispute resolution in their role. Well, the programme is designed particularly with professionals in mind, and this might be someone who has a legal background, so it might be a solicitor who's in private practice, who is giving advice to clients on international issues, or it might be an advocate or a barrister. It might also be in-house counsel who liaise between external counsel and their own business, or it might be someone who works for an international organisation or an organisation that has ambitions to play on a more international level, a more international field, or indeed it might be someone who currently works in a professional capacity who is looking to make a step, make a leap to a business that has a more international slant. Flexibility is key on the online distance learning programme, and the programme can be taken over 1, 2 or 3 years, allowing students to take a workload in terms of modules that fits in with their workload and their personal commitments. And we have an excellent range of subjects, of modules that can be chosen, and that allows students to tailor the programme to fit their particular interests, their ambitions, or their areas of experience and things that they currently work on and want to get some more technical information about. So we have some corporate based courses, corporate compliance and international and comparative corporate governance. We also have some modules that relate to disputes, so commercial international arbitration or dispute resolution methods. And we also have some other modules that allow people to drill down into particular areas of interest. So we have, for example, a module on international oil and gas law. Well, at Edinburgh, we are a world-leading research-led university, so the people who are teaching on the programme, who are the course organisers for the modules, are people at the forefront of legal research in the area, and often the modules are supported by support tutors, and they're people with experience in practice, so you're getting both strands of an academic who researches in the area and is at the cutting edge of research, together with some practical experience coming from the support tutors. Well, the online community allows students to interact and engage with professionals who are involved in similar organisations or similar areas or have similar interests. But students come from all over the world in terms of our online community of students for the modules, so it's an opportunity to engage with people from different legal traditions, with different backdrops and different experiences. And as well as their engagement during the module, there's the opportunity to make contact, which might be very useful going forward post-graduation and looking at future career ambitions. Well, students who have been part of the programme will have a much deeper and wider understanding of international regulations, the policies that shape changes and developments in that particular area, and also a better understanding of how organisations can and do function cross-border. And that will be something that will be very useful to students either in their current role, if, for example, they might be going for a promotion, or indeed if they're looking to move somewhere with a more international slant. This will give them the tools that they need in order to be able to operate in such an organisation.